अपने चैनल पे गिव अवे करने वाली हूँ, सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड वॉच ऑल द वीडियो विच एवर इज कमिंग. Aztec and this clay is so good. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel Real Love with Jyoti Sinha and how you like. आज की जो वीडियो है वो है एक वेरी पावरफुल क्ले के लिए जिसे हम इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल यूज कर सकते हैं. और ये जो क्ले है, दिस क्ले इज फ्रॉम ब्रांड Aztec and this clay is so good guys. If you are using on your skin then you're going to feel so good. And the best thing, this clay is not only for the external use, you can use it for the internal use. Also, this clay is available from Flipkart and on their website also, so I have updated the link below. From there you can buy this product, and how you have to use it that I'm gonna tell you, because after using this clay I felt so good. Even my husband also use it, so this is unisex, a boy and a girl both can use. Just see, this box is just looking like that, and the price for this 549 rupees. Again, this is a discounted price. The actual price of this product is 1440 rupees. में 400 gram का the box is there which you can use. You can use it with the water and you have to mix it well so ये dissolve हो जाए, and then you can consume it 2 hours before to the meal, so that it is gonna help to clean your digestion system and your stomach is gonna feel so happy. So outside use के लिए क्या करना है उसकी भी हम बात करते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने जैसे यूज किया है, I have used it for external purpose. मुझे अपने फेस के लिए एक अच्छा क्ले चाहिए था, so for that only I use this product, and after using this I'm so happy to use this. And just see what is the result. Here is the clay which I am using. So it is from the Aztec Secret, and this is the wonderful clay because this is completely organic. First you can see I opened this pack and I'm gonna take the clay 2 teaspoon because 2 person is using this, so if you are only using it then 1 teaspoon will be enough. And then I'm taking this rose water 2 teaspoons. So either you can use any apple cider vinegar and the rose water and the simple water we use, and we have to mix it so well so that it will be a smooth paste so that you can apply on your face very nicely. For applying I'm using this brush. You can use your hand also. So what you have to do, if you have a delicate skin like sensitive skin, then just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have a normal skin like I have a normal skin, so I kept it on my face for 15 minutes. And after that we have to wash it off with the normal warm water. What this clay is gonna do on your skin, so first it is gonna remove all the impurities whichever we have, and it is gonna remove all the dirt from the pores we have on our faces, and it is gonna remove the uneven skin tones. It is gonna treat your acne and the pores as I told, and the anti-tanning. If you have any kind of tanning on your face and the body, it is gonna remove that also. Pigmentation, blackheads and whiteheads also, and the pigmentation scars which we have on our faces which is really hard to remove, so this is going to remove those pigmentation scars also, and it just remove the dead skin, and it is provided the anti-aging also. So this mask will make your skin more soft and healthy. Best thing about this mask, anyone can apply because it is unisex product, and there's a no age limit, no side effects. It's a chemical free and a universal product. So you can see the 15 minutes got over and I washed my face with the normal warm water. You can see I have a pimple on my skin, but after using this I felt like my pimple is getting less and I am getting more glow on my face. And this is good because the man can also use it. So you can see the Raku has also used it. You have to use it once in a week only. After washing we have to moisturize our face. So for the face moisturizer I'm using this Nutriderm ka face moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer whichever you have. So you can purchase this product because I have given the link below. It is available on the Purple, Nykaa, Amazon, and all the link is already been given. So that's all for this video guys. I'm sure ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are already subscribed me, so thank you so much guys for giving me love and support. Just share this channel with your friends, and we have completed 1000 subscribers, so I'm so happy. And very soon अपने channel पे give away करने वाली हूँ. So do not forget to subscribe and watch all the video whichever is coming, and I'm gonna give all the detail to what you guys have to do and what will be the gift. So guys, ये जो गिफ्ट होगा छोटी सी हैप्पीनेस होगी जो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, और इस गिव अवे की जानकारी के लिए मेरे चैनल के साथ बने रहें, and very soon I'm gonna share the complete detail On my Instagram, the handle is already updated here, which is Real Hubby Jyoti Sinha, and the YouTube also. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Bye bye. Be safe, be at home.